Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 on your Windows 11 computer. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Run PowerShell as an administrator. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key, and then run the last command. Hit the enter key. Now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click, then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once done, now you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working? The next step is to go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then try to install. Still not working? The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command. Again, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is complete, once it is 100% complete, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working? The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631, and then click on search. Let me change the language. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check the version. In my case the version is 25H2. Now check your system type, go to system, go to about option. Check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download. Now click on KB5083631 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? Close all third-party applications on your computer. Make sure only the update is running. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you install the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. and then you can run this exe file. Click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, now this process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.